Hello guys, today we are unboxing starting my mom bought from the store. Okay, we got some these leaves right there. We got some vegetable, tomato. We got onion. So this is squid flakes crackers. My mom's favorite. And this, yeah. My mom bought way for me. I'm gonna make this for school. Now, we got pancit canton. I'm gonna make this. And we got spicy labuyo beef. Put it right mix here and then. What is this? What is this? Okay. So, yeah. This is so called. I'm just gonna put this here. It's really called. Okay. Oh, they bought me some fries. Oh my god. Okay. Now, and this, some chickens. And just gonna put this right here. Yes, and potatoes. Yeah. And then some. Oh, I don't know what's this called.
Cucumber.
A cucumber. This is some chili.
Okra.
Okra. This is oyster sauce.
Yeah.
And some coffee.
For me.
And then some butter. And some water.
Pocari.
Yeah. And some corned beef. Okay. Okay. 3 more corned beefs. So 5 corned beefs. We need 8 corned beef. No, 6 corned beefs. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Now, this sardinas. Now,
Onion.
onion. This. Okay, 2 San Marino. Now, oh my god, there's still one more. San Marino chili. Now, 2 Pringles. This is for me.
Hindi yan kasama. Hindi ka nagre-reply sa chat eh.
And guys, that is all. Okay, now, there's still more. Brownies. Oh,
Cupcakes. Kinain ko na isa.
why did you eat?
Nagutom ako eh.
Some
Ano
bread.
yan?
Bread.
Bread. Kay mami.
Chocolate. That's for me.
Okay.
Thank you. Wait. Oh, bye. This is it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to watch my latest video. Bye.
Ayan, nabawasan ko na yung cupcakes. And brownies. Thank you, St. Francis Square.
Yeah.
Saan na?
This is so good. The video over? Is it still going on? I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye guys.